I'm going to show you how I put on eyelashes. These came in, I ordered these off Amazon and they came today. Kiss brand called the MLBB, My Lash But Better. And these are in So Real. And these look really pretty. Like they're really flared at the end. And yeah, I don't know. I'm really excited to try these. I read the reviews. The reviews aren't that great, and a lot of people are saying that maybe it's like the cast-offs that couldn't be sold at retail. I don't know. The complaint, I think, was the band. The band being too thick. This one looks okay. On the back of this, they claim to have the thinnest band on the fucking planet or something, and this looks okay to me. We're gonna test it out, and let's just see how this goes. All right. There's a safety sticker that sort of just came off, so that's reassuring. All right, opening it up, just your standard lashes. You just want to gently sort of peel the eyelashes off gently, and I just absolutely obliterate them. And then they say to take some makeup remover and take the sticky stuff off of here. I'm not gonna do the makeup remover thing. I'm just gonna go like this a little bit. The color of these lashes are really pretty. They're kind of like auburn, like not quite black, really, really dark brown. Oh, that's fun. So I'm just grabbing some of these lashes and pulling them with this, so that's good. You know, I don't really care, so I'm just gonna put them on. Okay, so I'm taking some tweezers, and I don't know if you can see here. Oh yeah, so like right there, you can see that hair right there. Underneath, you might not be able to see it here, there's some eyelashes that are just like stuck to the glue in there. And like, I'm just gonna work them on out of there. Because I don't want to pull the eyelashes out. That defeats the purpose of putting eyelashes on. This is really riveting content. I'm so glad that I edit my videos, because what the fuck would you guys would just be staring at my wrinkly forehead? Can't even see what I'm doing. Cool. Alright, I'm gonna say fuck it with this one and just put it on, because I'm getting impatient. So that's it. That's what we're working with. Is there some glue on there? Probably. I don't really care. So this, I believe, is my left one. So what you want to do... Oh, let me explain why I'm looking down. I'm just like rambling on, and I'm sure nobody has, or a lot of people don't have any idea why I am the way that I am. Why am I the way that I am? So I have not pictured, not shown on screen, I have a mirror underneath my camera. So I'm looking down, obviously. And then you want to look down while you're putting on your lashes. I think because it exposes your lash line better. I don't really know. I am just trusting the process here. And then what you want to do is start from the outer corner and just sort of like lay it where your natural lash line is. This is without glue because you're just fitting it at this point. So yeah. I usually cut my lashes quite a bit down, like about halfway down. So I'm gonna be cutting mine about, I'm gonna leave a little bit, about right here. So I'm gonna cut about right there. And so we're gonna be left with like 3/4 of lashes on there. And it's hard to tell right now. I'm just gonna go do it and then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so another helpful tip that I've learned is that you want to cut from the inner. You don't want to take off the outer, I'm just winging these scissors around. You don't want to take from the outer edge because they often flare out a little bit more over there. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. I would recommend using manicure scissors, not kitchen scissors, but you gotta just roll with the punches sometimes. Okay. Boop, just committing and doing it. And then this little chunk, I just saved this little chunk for later use. I can add it on somewhere else. So now we're left with I'm just gonna put it on. I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna put it on. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm just nervous and I'm procrastinating is what it is. Okay, I have these handy little tools that I've never used before, so we're gonna see if they work the way I need them to. I don't see why they wouldn't. Oh, you're supposed to do the bendy thing. Okay, so you take them on each side and then you bend them like this. Beep, 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 beep. So that it kind of forms along the natural curvature of your eye, and then you can go the other way. Just want to like bend it up a little bit. I'm holding them in these little tweezer things, and then I'm using using Ardell Lash Grip Clear Adhesive Lash Glue, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the end. Let's see if I can do this while showing you. Okay, ooh, that's clean. Okay. Getting like a little bit on there. And then I just drag it along ever so gently. Make sure you focus on the outer corners. That's where you're gonna get your lifting. If you get lifting, you're gonna get them on the outer edges. Too much glue, way too much glue. So we're just gonna give a little dab on the hand and just make sure that you're getting your corners. The next thing you gotta do is be patient and wait for 30 seconds. And that's a really difficult thing for me to do. Right now the glue is wet. That's a lot of glue on there. We're gonna see how this does. We gotta wait for 30 seconds. And then, because right now it's really liquid, it's just gonna slide all over the place. And we don't really want that. So we're gonna wait. All right, I'm gonna go for it. So you're just gonna start at the outer edge. And I'm looking down into my mirror and I'm just gonna place, oh God, no. It's stuck to my thing. Okay, let's try this again. And we're going to place on the lash line and then use this tool to get all in there and push it on the lash line. That didn't work. We're gonna try again. Okay, this is all right. Like just all right. I would prefer to redo it, but I'm not going to. It looks really pretty. I mean, like, I'm not complaining. It makes me look way better on one side. So let's do the other side. Bending, bending, bending. Just make sure they're all bendy-like. And then we're gonna take off the extra glue. So the same process, we're just going to put some lash glue on. You don't want it to get on the top of the lash, because if you get white showing on the top lash, it's probably going to remain white even if it says it dries clear. So you want to avoid that. Getting it on like the bottom part of this lash is just going to adhere to your own natural lashes, so I think that's okay, but you want to try to just keep it on the band as much as possible. As long as I'm willing to wait. We're gonna plop it on. Oh God. It's fine. We're gonna roll with it. We're just gonna do it. Just do it already. Okay, my hand's gonna be in the way. This is necessary, so sorry. Okay, so that's okay. I'm seeing some gaps here between my natural lashes and the fake eyelashes. And I want that to not be a thing. So I'm just gonna try to squish gently the false lashes and my natural lash line together to try to adhere them so that they don't budge. Okay, is that like, am I done? Did I do it? I think I did it, guys. Okay, there it is. I don't know, what do you guys think? Does it look okay to you? I'm gonna have to check out the video when I'm done to see what it looks like. I mean, you can absolutely go in and fill in with eyeliner now to like fill in any imperfections. They're pretty comfortable. I mean, this one on my left is not on properly. I'll probably go ahead and reapply that one, but as far as comfort goes, they're very comfortable. I can barely feel them. I think they look really good. Yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with the results here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you have any tips or tricks for me to get these things to stay on my face. Okay, so I readjusted these a little bit. They just were not close enough to my lash line, and now they are. This one I'm still not super pleased with, but yeah. These are so comfortable. I cannot even tell that they're on my face, which is not usually the case with eyelashes in my case. I do have to say the glasses were maybe not the best for wearing glasses. I often push my glasses up close and I can definitely feel them hitting the side. For everyday wear as somebody who wears glasses, maybe not, but they look really nice. And they feel really nice. The quality feels okay. Like, I don't know, maybe I just got a good pair. Some of the hairs shed off of the eyelashes when I first got them, but they still look great. I'm very, very happy with them. And I can still wear my glasses if I want to. Hey, so here's yet another update. So this is day 2 and, well, like day number 2, and I put them on again, and I'm still practicing, right? Like the corners are not where I'd like them to be, but yeah, I came on here to show you I'm wearing my glasses and I'm wearing them comfortably, and they aren't really hitting the glass this time, so not really too sure, but it's probably just your user error. Guaranteed it's just user error on my part. But I wanted to just give you an update that today's going better. I still need to get the corners glued on my face better, but this is a work in progress. So highly recommend these eyelashes, and they're super cheap on Amazon. So I'll link them in the description. Thanks for coming to my channel. Bye.